ball, it bounces on your feet. C is for cat, it says meow meow. D is for dog, can you hear it now? Come sing along the alphabet song, learning letters all day long. A to Z, come follow me, let's learn letters happily. A is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, wear it in your hand. Come sing along the alphabet song, learning letters all day long. A to Z, come follow me, let's learn letters happily. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear its roar in the sky. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for birds to see. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin, waddling around. Come sing along the alphabet song, learning letters all day long. A to Z, come follow me, let's learn letters happily. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining bright and hot. T is for turtle, walking in a spot. U is for umbrella for rainy skies. V is for violin, making music rise. W is for whale in the ocean deep. X is for on the fro, it sounds so neat. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we know our
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll. E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat and C for car, D for dog and D for doll, E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish and F for fan, G for goat and G for grapes, H for hat and H for hen, I for ice cream, I for ink, E. J for jug and J for jam. J. K for kite and K for king. K. L for lion and L for lamb. L. M for monkey, M for moon. M. N for nest and N for net. N. O for orange, O for owl. O. P for pen and P for parrot. P. Q for queen and Q for quill. Quack. R for rabbit, R for ring. R. S for sun and S for star. T for tiger and T for train. U for umbrella, U for uniform. V for van and V for violin. W for watch and W for water. X for xylophone, X for x-ray. Z. Y for yolk and Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zip. Z. A is for airplane flying up high. B is for butterfly dancing in the sky. C is for cookies, crunchy and sweet. D is for drum with a big loud beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims all day. G is for goose, honking with pride. H is for horse who takes us for rides. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, bubbly and bold. K is for kangaroo, bouncing around. L is for leaf that falls to the ground. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest, tucked out of sight. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for panda, moving slow. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rain, falling down. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for train, chugging with might. U is for umbrella, red and blue. V is for violin, playing for you. W is for whale, so big and wide. X is for x-ray, peeking inside. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra with strips of brown.
E says apple on the tree. B says ball bouncing free. C says cat with a cap. D says dog takes a nap. E says egg in a nest. F says fish swims the best. G says got to choose a tin. H says hat on your chin. I says igloo golden tall. J says jump over the ball. K says kite in the sky. L says lamp shining high. M says moon glows at night. N says nest tucked in tight. O says octopus with it. P says
Pig loves to skate. Q says Q. Queen wears a crown. R says R. Rain tumbles down. S says sun. Sun smiles so bright. T says T. Turtle walks in light. U says Ju. Umbrella in rain. V says fur. When on a lane. W says W. Whale in the sea. X says sir. Fox run from me. Y says show up and down. Z says the. Zebra zooms through town.